Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So this is the fourth look that I have created for my Navratri makeup series. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this look, then please continue watching. I'm going to start off with priming my skin. I am using my Smashbox Primer Water. It's a really nice mist. It beautifully hydrates my skin, and I do see a difference when I go in with my foundation. My foundation also looks really nice. You can also use this as a setting mist, but to set my makeup today I will be using a different spray. I also like my Urban Decay's Quick Fix priming spray, even that is really nice. So if you guys don't want that extra layer of any product, then these kind of sprays work really well. Just waiting for it to dry. So the primer has set down completely. Now it has a bit of tackiness, which is a good thing because any product that will apply will adhere really nicely to the skin. Now going in with my foundation, this is my Huda Beauty's Faux Filter Foundation in the shade 340G Baklava. This foundation can get really heavy and cakey if you apply too much of it. For concealer today, I am using my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Medium to Ginger. I really haven't used this concealer so much, I think just once, and I was not very happy with the way it was looking. It was looking a little dry under my eyes. The coverage is good, but I was not liking the finish, and people love this concealer. So the other day I was just trying it again because I have to use this. So I directly applied this concealer with my beauty blender and it looked really nice. The first time that I applied it with my brush, so I was not really happy with the application, but with sponge it applies really well. So if you have this concealer and if you're thinking how to apply it, then please use your sponge. I don't know how it applies with your finger, but let's see. Anyway, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this concealer on my sponge. It gives very good coverage. I have to make sure that I don't apply too much. So we're just going to take this much first, okay? That's also a lot. I'm just going to see. Wow. This is looking good now, and my under eyes also looking brighter. Now I'm really liking it. It's looking really good, and it's not even creasing in my under eyes, which is good. I'm just going to apply this concealer, which is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige here, okay? And a little bit on my chin here as well, and here. Just one dot on each side. Like, my under eyes were looking bright with just that concealer, but I wanted it to look more brighter. That's why I went in with my Too Faced concealer, because the shadows that we are using today, for that I want my under eyes to look really bright and nice. Going to set it with my Huda Beauty's Easy Bake powder. This one is in the shade Blondie. For the rest of my face, I am using my Asa Beauty's finishing powder. This one is in the shade Soothing Jasmine. It's actually a translucent powder, so it looks like this, and it comes with this applicator, and it also has a mirror. Asa Beauty products are really nice, guys. They're vegan, cruelty free and sustainable. Asa has sent me this powder, and they have sent me other products as well. I have uploaded shorts on my channel. If you guys haven't watched that shorts, then please do check it out. I'm going to use my favorite brush. This is Real Techniques blush brush. Their powder foundation is also beautiful, lovely finish. This is the first time I'm using this powder. It's translucent, so it really has no color. For my blush, I'm applying this one, guys. This is my BECCA's blush in the shade Songbird. I absolutely love it. It's a really nice warm blush. Using my Morphe's E4 brush. I'm going to apply on my nose as well. And my ears as well. So guys, before moving on to eye makeup, I'm again going to spray my Smashbox primer water. So I'm going to complete one side of my eye makeup and I'll be right back. I've already primed my eyelid with Fenty Beauty's eye primer. Now let's get started with the eye makeup. Today also I am using the Magic palette by JUVIAS. First going in with this dark navy blue eyeshadow. It's called YEJIDE or YEJIDE, I don't know. So I'm going to apply this one with my Sigma's E25 blending brush. These shadows are so pigmented and there's hardly any fallout. Now blending this shadow with my Zoeva's 228 crease brush. We'll be taking this shadow which is called Aja, this one, on my MAC 242 brush. This is Zoeva's 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush and I'm going to blend this shadow now. I'm going to build up that blue a little. We'll be applying this dark blue shadow again on my lower lash line. Zoeva's 240 Luxe Petite brush. On my waterline, I'm applying my ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade France or Prance. We'll be now going in with Kogi, which is this nice icy light blue color. We'll be applying this one on my tear duct. Just spraying some of this priming water. This is my Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Distortion. Now I will be applying this one in the center. And also a little bit on my tear duct, just a tiny amount. So I'm going to quickly wear my lashes, guys, and then we'll move on to lip color. So after wearing my false eyelashes, I realized that I didn't apply my mascara. I normally apply my mascara first and then go in with my lashes. So lashes apply karne ke baad, I blended my false eyelashes and my natural lashes with Asa Beauty's Easy Ebony Mascara. It's a really good everyday mascara. So I applied this one on my upper lashes. And on my lower lashes, I went in with my MAC's Extended Giga Black Lash. And now we will be going in with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I will be applying it on my T-zone and on my under eyes. Moving on to lips now. This is my ColourPop's Lippie pencil in the shade Beeper. So I'm going to line and fill in my lips with this one. And on top of this lipstick, I will be applying my Asa Beauty's Hydra Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Pretty Petunia. Lovely color. Now I'm going to apply my Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. I'm just going to spray some MAC Fix Plus Matte.